Hi, and welcome to this series about pfSense. Today we're going to get into the installation process. Getting the installation file was quite simple. All I had to do was go to Netgate's website, I'll leave a link to that in the description, and grab the ISO file. Then I loaded it to my virtual machine and ran it. I accepted the terms and conditions, and since this is a brand new machine, I'm just going to click on Install pfSense. Now it's asking me if I want to partition my disk. I only have one disk, so I'm going to stay with guided root on ZFS. As for the configuration options, so again, we're going to keep this quite simple. Stripe is for redundancy, which we're not going to use. The pool name can stay pfSense. I don't need to encrypt the disk. I'm okay with the partition schema that pfSense wants me to use, which is GPT. So I'm just going to hit select. So I'm not going to use any redundancy for this particular install. However, if you're interested, RAID is a way to install an operating system or to use it as some type of storage, where really in the back you have several different physical disks running together. In that case, if anything happens to the physical disk, all you have to do is to replace one single disk without losing any information depending on the RAID schema that you've chosen. Again, in this case, I'm going to go with Stripe, which is basically no redundancy. I only have one disk here, which is ADA0, so I'm going to hit that. It's going to give me one last chance to change my mind, but I'm going to go ahead and say yes. Installation process took about 20 minutes, but I've skipped this forward in the interest of time. That's it. Once we're done, we can hit reboot. pfSense is going to reboot. And then we're going to get this screen. Now, we're going to set up pfSense using the web configurator, so we're not going to go over the different options here. I do want to note that EM0, which is my WAN interface, was able to grab an IP address from my DHCP server. EM1, which is my LAN interface, grabbed the default address of 192.168.1.1 with the CEDAR notation of 24. So I'm going to use that to log into pfSense and perform the initial setup in the next video. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also check the bell icon to make sure you get notifications about new videos just as they come out.